Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity for 2024, 25, 26 batch. So first important hiring from the Capgemini, and this is mass hiring. I've already provided update for this. So Capgemini hiring for the role of software engineer, and last date to apply is 31st March. So you should apply with the good resume, and if you haven't gone through this video, must go through it. There I talk in detail about this hiring. Okay, so go and apply. Salary package is 4 LPA, and other detail you can go through it. Next important hiring from the Amazon, they are hiring the Geo AI Associate Hyderabad. So also 2024 2025 pass out batch can apply, and these are the detail you have to give, and this is the direct test hiring, so everyone should apply. Next important hiring from the Qualcomm, they are hiring engineer associate. So if you are the students in final year and also pass out, then I will suggest everyone you should apply for this important opportunity, because Qualcomm is a very good company. Okay. And next important hiring, if you have some experience or some knowledge of the SQL or ETL, then this important hiring from the Amazon, they are hiring for business analyst 1 WHS. You can go through the job description. Okay, so you will be responsible to provide analytics solution to solve business problem, extract available data and apply basic transformation, document your analytical approach. So what is the qualification? Bachelor degree in business, computer engineering, computer science, data engineering, economics, finance engineering, and these other things. If you have bachelor degree, then you are good to go. Required qualification, if you have some working knowledge with Tableau, or if you have experience in working with large data set, then I will suggest everyone you should apply. Next important opportunity, that is work-in drive for the freshers. So this is the work-in drive from the Genpact, and date is 31st Jan. So if you are from Kolkata region, then I will suggest everyone you should go for this hiring, and this is also a kind of mass hiring, so you have to go. Okay, so they are hiring for the record to report, account payable, and order to cash. So if you are interested for these job role, then you can go through it. Next important hiring from the Zintlr, they are hiring the data engineering intern for 4-month internship. So for this 2026 as well as 2025 batch can apply too. Okay, and this is strictly in office roles. So we are looking for someone who have knowledge of Python. So if you have, if you are satisfied in this criteria, then you can share your resume to this mail ID. And friend, I regularly post lots of important job updates in my YouTube channel, so you can subscribe us. And TCS NQT announcement will be soon. So जैसे ही आएगा आपको मैं प्रोवाइड अपडेट कर दूंगा. बट कीप अप्लाइंग, एंड कुछ ही दिन में आपका डेलॉइट का टेस्ट भी शुरू हो जाएगा. So you can subscribe us for getting any important update. Next important hiring from the CP Geeks. They are looking for long-term operation intern remote. So this is the remote job, and stipend is 5,000 per month. Mode is remote. So if you have good communication skill and consistent and responsible and basic computer knowledge, then you are eligible for this important internship. And friends, if you want to schedule your mock interview, then you can also fill our form for the mock interview, where I am taking your mock interview, which will basically boost your confidence in the real interview. Hope informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट जॉब अपडेट में. थैंक यू.